So what are you on now? Hour 6 of blackout? 12:36 in Yellowknife. We have street lights, but we haven't had power for a very long time. Kendra, your feelings
What?
on no power?
Power? Scary. Whoa.
It's not much to do, is there?
No.
So we've decided
Making bush pies.
after, yes, we were having a fire at a friend's house. We got rained out during the storm. And now, would you please show us how you're making bush pies?
Barbecue?
We went spent far too much money on bush pie makers.
Yes,
Making
we
the
did.
entire. The only good thing about having blackouts in Yellowknife is that the sun doesn't really go down. So right now this is probably the darkest it's gonna get tonight, but it's still not that easy to see stuff in the middle of the night. Luckily we have a few candles to make sure we can get by.
You pour one.
And a bush pie maker.